Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. In today's video, I'll show you how to add gathers with or without using machine. So let's get started. Here I have taken a piece of fabric. You can use this method to add gathers on dress, skirt, sleeves, yoke, whatever you want. Width of this fabric is 20 inch and required width is 10 inch. So I have taken fabric double the required width. Now to add gathers, I have taken needle and I have 4 strands of thread in the needle. I'm using just a regular cotton thread. Now I'll make running stitch on the top of the fabric. It's a very basic stitch. You just have to pass the needle in and out of the fabric at a regular distance. And here I'm keeping distance of half inch. Don't make it more than that. So I made the running stitch and this is how it looks. Now I'll mark the center. This is 20 inch, so half of it will be 10 inch. Marking center will help you balance gathers on both sides. And now pull the thread gently to add gathers. On this side, I'll just pull the knot. And you can see it's very easy to add gathers with running stitch. So I have added gathers on both sides. I'll just check the required width, that is 10 inch. And I'll adjust gathers accordingly. So I got the required width, that is 10 inch. After adding gathers, you can make straight stitch using machine to secure the gathers. And now I'll show you how to add gathers using sewing machine. So here I have taken another piece of fabric. Width of fabric is around 32 inch and required width is again 10 inch. And now I'll make basting stitch to add gathers. To make basting stitch, you have to take highest stitch length on your sewing machine. Usually I keep stitch length between 2 and 3, but here I'm taking it 4 inch, that is the highest stitch length on my sewing machine. And now I'll make the straight stitch. And this is how it will look. Also, you don't have to make back and forth stitch to secure the thread on either end. Just cut long tail of thread on both ends. So I made the basting stitch and I've also marked the center on the fabric. Now I'll pull the bobbin thread to add gathers. Just gently pull the thread so that it won't break. So I've added gathers on one side. Now I'll check the width. It's 7 inch, but the required width is 10 inch. So I need 5 inch on both sides of the center. So I'll add more gathers. I've added gathers on one side. Similarly, I'll add it on the other side. So I got the required width, that is 10 inch. So I've shown you how to add gathers without using sewing machine and with sewing machine. And also you can see the difference in the volume of the gathers, as ready width for both pieces was 10 inch, whereas on this fabric I have taken width 20 inch and on this fabric width was 30 inch. Thanks for watching guys, hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care, bye bye.